How to rename your Galaxy Watch 7, change the name for it using the wearable app, and let's get started. Once your watch is fully connected to the phone and app itself, go into the wearable app here. And once in the wearable app section, you will want to go down to the part that says watch settings. So go to watch settings. Then in this part here, just keep going down until you see the last part about watch. As you are here now, you will see to the very top, rename. Go ahead and tap that one time, and this is where you can rename your watch. So whatever it was originally, you can simply just tap here and maybe make changes to it or erase everything and just press rename once you're done with the changes, and that will be the name of your watch from now on. And you can just go back, and then you'll see that that's the name of it from here on. And that's that. Like and sub.